Hello everyone. Welcome back. So, for today's video, we're talking about how you can complete your daily task and live task. Let's go to your profile and tap the task tab. Then, you can check your achievable task on your screen display. If you are new in Nikki Live, not more than 5 days, then you may have an additional tab on your task for newcomer task. Then we have daily task, live task, and play task. So let's talk about newcomer task. Within 5 days, after you created your account, you can enjoy rewards by going live for 1 to 2 hours a day and receive claimable rewards from the newcomer tab task. Next, we move on to daily task. Now, this may change from time to time. So, let me break it down to you. From today's available task, post moments and get featured. Go to the post tab found below your screen. Tap the plus button. Choose whether you want to post a photo from your album, video, or snap a photo of yourself and upload it. If you can get featured, then you can get 1,000 coins rewards. Party room on mic. Basically, you just need to join a party live and take a seat to the beams or on the mic and stay for 30 minutes. Then, you can get 1 recommendation card and 10 Coral Lucky Gifts. Receive Anchor recommendation cards. Recommendation cards can be claimed via your clubs. And if you receive 300 recommendations card, you can get 100 coins up to 8,000 coins. Complete club tasks to gain prestige points. Do club tasks. Just make sure you join a club first. Then you can get 100 coins up to 7,500 coins. Obtain the Honor Combat card. Club task acquisition. You can get this doing club task. Then you can get 20 Coral Lucky Gifts. Win the live PK. You need to go to Solo Live and make PK and receive 15k worth of gifts and win that PK. Then you can get 100 coins up to 6,500 coins. Party room on mic. Play lucky gifts. Any of the lucky gifts here are counted and you need to spend worth 30,000 coins on this and you can get 100 coins up to 6,600 coins. Live task. So, let's go to your profile and tap the task tab and choose live. Check this banner for the overall claimable task. The reward for the duration of the daily task depends on the revenue from the last 7 days, including the present day. If your income increases, as well as the rewards, and the reward durations also adds up. Now, let's go to the play task. Play gift wheel. Consume 25,000 coins on playing the gift wheel. Then you can get 1,000 coins rewards. Get game share income. Everyone play game on your live, including yourself. You can earn income, and if you get 8,000 income on that day, then you can have 1,000 coins up to 8,500 coins. Play games. Play any games on the app. Then win 1,050,000 coins on that day. You can get 100 Coral Lucky Gifts. Play the Asphalt game. Consume 15,000 coins, then you can get 100 coins up to 6,500 coins. Give lucky gifts. Ruby. Send this lucky gift to other streamer 8 times. Then you can get 100 coins up to 5,600 coins. Receive lucky gifts. Cherry. Someone sent you 150 units of the Cherry Lucky Gift. Then you can get 100 coins up to 7,000 coins. Play game Lucky Number. Consume 10,000 coins on playing this game. Then you can get 100 coins up to 6,000 coins. That's it for today. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like. Please download Nikki app now. Bye!